Okay, I'm going to be testing the digital compass module as part of my compass help project. Down here we have the digital nanocon microcontroller that's got an ATmega168 on it. Here we have a micromag 3-axis magnetometer. It's currently oriented so that the primary sensing direction is pointed this way. That's actually sort of an arbitrary distinction, but currently it's pointing more or less magnetic north, and the light ring is indicating that it's in the neutral position, position 0. I'm going to rotate the entire assembly on a tripod, and hopefully the LED will continue to point more or less in the same direction. So we'll see how this goes. So far, so good. And it looked like it lagged a little bit there. And now we'll turn it back the other way. And now, just for fun, we'll give it a spin. I'm not actually sensing compass position very many times per second, so that's a little bit slow. You may also notice a little bit of a flicker in the LED ring. That's because the shift register I'm using doesn't have an output latch. I've only got a few free GPIO lines on the microcontroller, so I'm running a clock and a data line to the, I think it's the 74HC164 shift register, and each time I clock a new position in to the LEDs, they all flicker because the old position's getting rotated out. So next step is to do some tilt compensation. Right now, if you tilt the compass, hold on a moment. Okay, well, we can just do this. If you tilt the module, it gets very confused very quickly. I have an accelerometer on order that'll let it figure out which way is up, and then it can actually compensate for tilt and figure out approximately which way north is, even if we're tilted. Once you get tilted up too far, there's not really a sensible definition of north anymore, but it'll do the best it can. Then I'm going to be expanding the output so that there are at least 16 distinct outputs, and then next phase is to control the vibrator motors instead of LEDs. That will allow the wearer to have a sense of which direction north is. So stay tuned.